Well, hello everybody, and welcome to Blue Hill English. Today I'd like to talk to you about Japanese students cleaning the schools. It is true that Japanese students clean the school. The teachers and the government can't and won't tell the students the truth that schools can't afford to hire janitors. So instead, they tell the students that cleaning their school is having pride in their school. It is odd that the students never think about this. The teachers must not take pride in their school because they never help to clean the school. I always wondered how cleaning the school is taking pride because cleaning is mandatory for students. They don't have a choice. All of the students clean the school for 15 minutes every day. This starts in elementary school and it goes straight through high school. The cleaning tasks are divided up between the grades. Usually the 7th graders are responsible for cleaning their classroom. The 8th graders are responsible for cleaning the halls as well as their classroom. The 9th graders are responsible for cleaning the teacher's room as well as their classroom. Some of the 9th graders go outside to the soccer field and pull weeds. Pulling weeds on a large soccer field does not seem like the goal is to get rid of the weeds. It is like in those old military movies when a soldier is being punished by cleaning the bathroom with a toothbrush. Cleanliness is not the ultimate goal. Generally, the 7th and 10th graders try to impress the teachers by cleaning really well. You see them get changed into their gym uniform to clean the school very quickly, and then you see them report to the areas where they're supposed to be cleaning. However, once the students get to the 8th and 11th grade, some of their enthusiasm usually fades and they don't clean so well. Once the students get to their last year in school, which is 9th and 12th grade, some of them usually stand around talking to each other instead of cleaning, and only start to clean when a teacher comes around. This was the case at the junior highs and high schools I worked at. I would walk around while the students were cleaning, and as soon as they saw me, they would plead with me not to tell the teachers they were fooling around. As far as cleaning materials, the students are given a small broom to sweep the school. They are not given a mop to mop the floor. Instead, they are given a dirty rag to mop the floor. What is funny is that if you look closely at the way the students mop the floor, they push the wet rag across the floor. The floor in front of the student is dirty, so they push the wet rag over it to clean it. But then they walk across the wet floor that they just cleaned, which means the floor is dirty again, since they just walked on it. The reason Americans and other people from other countries should be interested in this video is because I have often heard that Americans should copy the Japanese and have the students clean the school. I think if Americans or anyone else in any other country copied the Japanese, it would be a travesty to their education system. The cleaning time in Japan could be put to better use by letting students return to a teacher for extra help if they are having trouble in a subject. It should be noted that although in their classroom, the students generally put their chairs on their desks and push them to the rear of the classroom, in other places, such as in the halls and in the teacher's room, absolutely nothing is moved. Instead, the students sweep and mop around the boxes and anything else on the floor. After 15 minutes of cleaning time, one can still see the dust balls in the corners of a room. The students only clean the windows once or twice a year at the end of a semester, which is similar to military cadets. The students also clean the rags used to mop the floor at the end of the semester. A lot of foreigners visit Japan and visit some schools, and they believe whatever they see, which is the students very enthusiastically about cleaning. Although Japan is not as bad as North Korea, Japan does practice the dog and pony show. when the teachers and students know someone is observing their behavior, they really put on a dog and pony show to try and impress the observer. Generally, the dog and pony is something that is rehearsed and not the truth. So at the end of cleaning time, the school is actually still not clean. But I guess it depends on your definition of clean. I mean, if you see somebody washing a pot from far away, the pot looks clean. But at closer inspection, if you were to get closer, and you will notice there is still some food stuck on the inside of the pot and some sauce or some drippings on the outside of the pot, which means the pot is not actually clean. So I guess it all boils down to your definition of cleanliness as far as the schools are concerned. But honestly, I can't imagine American students copying this about cleaning the schools, because I can't imagine after so many years of janitors cleaning the schools and buffing the floors, I can't really imagine an American student cleaning a toilet, a bathroom, a floor, or a teacher's room, or sweeping and pushing a wet rag across the floor. I can't imagine seeing that, and it would not be a good idea. Well, thank you for tuning in to my video, and if you want some more information about Japan and its education system, you should click on the link in the comments section for my book that's available on Amazon, The Truth About Teaching English in Japan. Well, thanks for joining me, and you have a good day.